Hello, I'm Justin with Liquid Web. INXI is a tool that can be utilized on a Linux system to make system-level information easily accessible with just one command. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to install INXI on Ubuntu 18.04 server. Before we get started, I should mention I am working as the root user on a Liquid Web self-managed Ubuntu 18.04 LTS server. Additionally, all of the commands referenced in this tutorial are available in the video description. As a good first best practice, let's get our system packages up to date by running apt update-y. Next, install INXI by running apt install INXI-y. Awesome! INXI is now installed. Let's go ahead and run INXI without any flags to start. INXI. We can see a wealth of basic information including CPU and some other system info. To see detailed CPU info, run INXI-C. For system uptime and current process information, run INXI-I. Disk information can be obtained by running INXI-D. And to get an aggregate of some system information, run INXI-B. Finally, to find out everything INXI is capable of providing, run INXI-H. That's all there is to it. You now know how to install and use INXI on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our knowledge base at liquidweb.com/kb or our YouTube channel at youtube.com/user/liquidwebinc.